Illustrator has this annoying bug. When you open a file by double-clicking it, Illustrator goes from full screen to small. The same happens when you use a macro pad to run scripts. I like scripts and use a lot of them, so it's super annoying to resize the window every single time. Ain't nobody got time for that. There are countless posts about this issue in the Adobe forums dating back to 2012, and still no official fix from Adobe, so by this point it's most likely a feature, not a bug. Anyways, here's my solution for this feature. All you need is to install PowerToys, a handy tool developed by the folks over at Microsoft. So yeah, it only works on Windows. There are a bunch of cool features in it, but we're just gonna lightly touch on fancy zones. Launch the editor, choose a screen, create a new custom layout, call it whatever, select the canvas option, and make it as big as your screen. You can set up multiple layouts, give them a shortcut, and easily switch between them. Now all you need to do is grab the Illustrator window, press Shift to activate the newly created full screen zone, and let go of your hopes and dreams. I mean Illustrator, let go of Illustrator. Now it is maximized without actually being maximized. See? So now when I run my scripts, it no longer shrinks itself to oblivion. Awesome! The eagle-eyed amongst you probably noticed that this fake maximized window leaves a little less room for your artboard, about 4 pixels less on all sides. Well, that's something I will happily live with. If you found this video useful, a comment, a like or a sub would be much appreciated. Cheers!